Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can forward a call to another contact on Android phone, especially when you're unreachable. Alright guys, first of all, open your phone application on your Android phone. Then after that, you can tap on this three dots button on the top right corner of your screen. Then we can click on settings option. And wait guys. Okay, and after that you can tap on the supplementary services. It's over here. Tap on this option. Then since we want to activate or turn on the call forwarding, we can click on the call forwarding option. But before it, you have to select the SIM card that you want to activate your call forwarding, and I'm going to select SIM 2. So we can click on call forwarding of SIM 2. Okay, then we can click on voice calls. Then since we want to forward a call when unreachable, so we can select this option, forward when unreachable. Okay, then click on this option and you can set a phone number that you want to forward your call to. And I'm going to add random phone number. Then after that, we can click on turn on. Alright guys, and that's how we can forward a call to another contact on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.